Welcome to JH. Airgifted.com claims to be the ultimate student hack, promising up to $700 in Airbnb credits just for verifying your status. Because apparently, the internet is just full of strangers desperate to pay for your next vacation. But before you start packing your bags, let's see if this site is actually legit or just a very expensive hallucination. First, we checked the registration details and found the site was only registered in December 2024. It's so new it's practically still in diapers, and giving your personal info to a platform younger than the milk in your fridge is a bold move, to say the least. Things get even weirder when you click the student eligibility button. Instead of actual verification, you're redirected to a completely unrelated page that has nothing to do with being a student. It's a classic bait and switch that's about as professional as a doctor's office located in a dumpster. To make matters worse, there is zero contact information available. No email, no phone number, and no social media presence. If something goes wrong, your only real option for support is screaming into the void and hoping for the best. The red flags keep waving when it comes to your data. There is no visible privacy policy or support page, meaning there is zero explanation of how your information is being used or protected. Apparently, their security strategy is "trust us, bro," which is about as reliable as a chocolate teapot. Finally, a quick trip to Trustpilot reveals a total desert of information with no reviews, no ratings, and no signs of life from actual users. Based on this mountain of evidence, Airgifted.com is not a trustworthy platform. Our advice is to stay far away until there is actual proof of legitimacy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews that save you from the nonsense.